Hey, buddy! There you are. Haha! You ready for this? Ready to begin a new painting? Yep, I think so. All right, huh? What did you do to prepare for this thing? I came up with an idea, and then I did some sketches, and then I sketched some more, and sketched some more, and this is what we've got. You don't seem too enthusiastic about it. I'm not sure about this one. The composition is not strong, and the idea is, I don't know, maybe a little weak. Then why are we painting it? It's the best idea I could come up with. Well, that's fine, man. Let's do it and maybe it'll surprise you. Sound good? Yeah, it sounds good, I think. Hey, nice haircut, by the way. I hope you didn't tip the barber. No, I did not. Ready to go? I'm ready. Let's give this a whirl.